Still on the matter, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Still on the Street Chance, I tell you. Street Chance, back there. But you're gonna wonder what made me they call this place, this area when I did a New Lekki Beach. If you watch me a New Lekki Beach at this time, I decided to take Street Chance, enter Beach Nyans. You know that kind of thing now. Back there. But the question I throw today be say yes, what make some people they come beach? What make you come up for your house? Say yes. Today I want to come beach. I want to enjoy myself. And with the New Lekki Beach, and so they make things very easy. If I say yes, 1K for adult, 500 for small children. You know that kind of thing. You know that kind of thing. But sometimes when they enter their head, when they want simple, when they want make things easy for you, they'll say, okay, everybody, 5 each, more carry they go. You know, say sometimes we they like Chipatiko. So let the matter, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Back at that, why I say all over. Still on the matter. Oh shit! Now I want to enter inside the beach. Now I go know what they happen there. Different thing they happen there. Why I go know? Ask some people what to make them they enter. Dress finish. Not even dress. So my guy, if you see the package, the kind dress when I see here today. Use your eyes. See. I come. Follow me. Back there. Why I see? How far now? How they be now? When this beach does start now?
When this beach started from, the time we start bringing this beach up, we
I'm not
started
telling
from...
you speak English.
Okay, when this beach start now,
Yeah.
where would they enjoy? Nah. We like am now, if you say they go on, 2009 start now, if you say everything they go on, they go where. And we dey like the way they take they do and now the show they go on, every day they go on, we dey like people just start to dey come in. This now, our beach now is now New Lekki Beach, and we are enjoying it now, man. I would like to be like going on, man.
My brother, what you dey do inside this beach?
I'm one of the people that are working inside this beach.
What you dey do?
I'm selling drink, I'm selling barbecue fish, with chip, with salad, suya, chicken, any type of drink that you
But with this your eye, how you take the seller?
I'm at the seller, I dey get my money.
Some people now, they fit point tomatoes, you can't go hold the fish.
No, why they go enter? No, they know say wetin me I dey sell na confirm, I dey do am well for them.
Back it up, still on the matter, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy. Back it. Why I say? Babe, how far? No. If you run. Now the run, why you run make me pursue so. So what's that? What be your name?
Kelly.
Speak pidgin English. What be your name?
Kelly now.
Wazobia TV be this so. What you carry you come beach?
I just can't enjoy myself, nothing else.
Just to enjoy yourself. How do you come?
That me and my friend.
Yeah, your friend. That your friend went wrong just now.
Yes.
I come first cash you. Where are they come from?
We just come from
Which
house.
side in the house?
And this same Lekki, Sha.
Same Lekki area. So you just make her enjoy yourself. So when you go come out here?
Not too long. I know it'll stay long.
No, stay long. But you get another appointment.
Now you sabi.
Bad babe. I don't clear now. Oh, why I say? Give me. Yes, so now the group one day the beach with that. If you're not there, you dey miss. Oh shit. Yeah. Why I say? How na dey? How you dey? How you dey? Correct lepa babe. Wait, don't fall my hand o. Just hand on me.
Camera. Oh, which kind?
How you dey? How you dey?
I'm
Oh, you
fine.
lepa o.
Yeah, we're here in Lekki Beach tonight. We're gonna rock this place.
You gonna run this party, man. Don't punish yourself. Go on, what made you come here?
I just come here to have my focus. This is one of the best beaches in Lekki Beach. And we're here to scatter that place tonight.
You want scatter?
Yeah.
So with this body, you want scatter? How can you? Hey, hold on, Baba. Bro, how you doing now?
I'm okay.
Yeah, this one I was over at TV, finance station, Okogo station, our station. No, brother, what you come do for Lekki Beach?
I just come and look at our
My guy speak pidgin. Speak pidgin, I beg now.
Pidgin. Okay, I can't see our upcoming artists here, say we get show, and some of my guys, they are among them. Edwin and Edward, they are here together.
Okay. So now you be their manager?
No, it's my guys, them. We are guys together.
So now you be the Lagos spender?
Lagos spender, one person get Lagos.
Make am look. If I check your pocket, the money not there.
Yeah?
They say G money, I think. Now this guy, they help you there.
Hello. I say,
My guy today like that. I beg just give me like 2K there.
I know I talk now. I take my leg.
You know what I mean? Now you start to do exercise, maybe you get big belly.
My brother, okay, like this.
Yeah. Give me like 2K there if you get
Okay.
money.
My ATM there, get POS.
No, I get POS. Okay, I get POS.
Oh, your move.
I get POS. Bad guy. All right, so let the matter straight chance on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Bro, how you doing? Also, what be the name?
Fidelis.
Eh?
Fidelis.
Fidelis. Where you come from now? Are your baby that, Abi?
Yeah.
Call him.
No worry.
How you doing now?
I'm good.
What make you come beach?
I don't want to come feel myself now, the breeze and everything.
The praise and everything, Abi?
Yeah, the nature.
The nature of everything. I know you don't come here. When you come here last?
I've been in
Apart
Lagos.
from today.
Okay, last Sunday.
Last Sunday you dey here, and everything they go on well.
Yeah.
Okay, just last me come for yourself. God will judge you. All right, so let the matter straight dance. Make it there. Why I say? Follow me. All right, no say everybody they get what that they can't do for beach. Like this man now, he just start to come make call for inside beach. Leave in your house, come make call for beach. Okay, not be so.
How I go come make up for beach now?
Not because you come make. I see how the way they stretch this thing, they look for network.
I come group now, they find person.
What make you come beach?
I come for this Modiwala and Friends show.
Okay, now. But the show never starts, right?
No, it never start yet.
All right, I know one now. So you know good, baby.
No shaking, one love, nothing
No,
do you. You self look sharp, bro.
I look sharp. I got you big
You like me?
You big
No, I want.
All right, still on the matter, straight chance. All right, still on the matter. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, I know if you pursue me. God, no. You did there.
I never come.
You go come in Jesus' name. All right. Okay, just small thing. Okay, now you and your family there, Abi. Now you and your family there. Madam, come, I beg. Just make this program rich. Madam, come. Now your wife, Abi. All right, good evening. All right, what make una come beach?
We bring our artists come.
Una bring una artist come for the show. Wala and friends, Abi. This and that. And are your children be this, Abi? Well, Abi na your relatives.
My relatives.
Madam, I know say they happy. They happy. How long Oga don take you out like this?
They take me out every time now. They take me out. Yes.
How are you? How you doing?
Fine.
What be your name?
Dumpets.
Dumpets. Come now, sweetheart, come now. Okay, that one is sharp. Come. What's your name?
Bam.
Bam.
Yes.
Okay, you be sure.
I'm in Jonah.
From which side?
I'm from River, from Abua.
You my people.
That's what it is.
I'm from Bayelsa and I came all local government.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah.
All right, if you watch me live for Wazobia TV, my name remains MC Shaggy. I deal with one sweet family here, the family of what?
Ogini.
Oh, Giddy, yes, they come Lekki. They see me, they come enjoy themselves. Casual for New Lekki Beach. If you they watch me and you not there yet, you they miss. Back it there. Okay, if you say back it there. Okay, what? Back it there. Yeah, why you say? Back it there. Why I say? If they wash my back, more people see they come up. More people see they come for the New Lekki Beach. People really get time. Nigerians really come out to catch from for beach. The show does Moku enter inside the show. Most stars they go. Yes, if they watch me live at the back of the stage, you see and say yes. Get one sweet show when they go on now. The show now, they call them Wala and Friends and whatever, Sunday Goo, understand that kind of thing. Now they go on now for Lekki. I tell you, say, inside beach, things they happen. Sweet things they happen for beach. We see them inside. I go let you know more things they happen. But maybe now the next episode, go to see that one. All these girls, they're not going to kill us. If you want to lose your wife, come here alone. Please. I not encourage you. Now you know. If you won't get anyone, get Siakbaye. Which kind of hairstyle be this?
It's called Kinky style.
Speak Pidgin. Which kind of hairstyle?
Kinky.
Kinky sharp. Son, I mean kinky sharp. Kinky Sha, you can see that. Back at that, he's one of the producer, one of the organizer of this Lekki Beach. Say meetings they happen. His name na Brown. Na Brown now to me, but I don't know the kind of thing when they do. Whether na brown powder, I've been a brown shoe, I've been a brown stockings. Anything brown is brown. You know that kind of thing. All right, so let the matter. My guy, what you dey do for you?
Now my company and Big Jams, Smile Global Entertainment and Big Jams. Now they package, now they put this one together. Now they package them.
Okay, all right. Only which I won't be that. Not do advert again. If not, my station go arrest me. Back it there. Why you say? Why you say if you watch me live, I tell you the group they hot here for Lekki Beach, New Lekki Beach. I tell you, the group they hot here. It is bad here. It is spoil here. It is you know that kind of thing. They hot here. Yeah. Like this, I don't wrap this episode up. If you just watch me live for Wazobia TV, we are number one the Bonga station. Make it not miss them. Not miss them. Not miss them. But if you touch that guy, go see what I go do. If you touch that, see what I go do now.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.